Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of videos. In this installment, we will be upgrading the memory in a 17-inch unibody MacBook Pro, which were introduced in early 2009. We have gathered the tools listed at the beginning of this video, are working on a static-free work surface, and have shut down the computer. We are now ready to begin. The first step is to close the MacBook Pro and flip it over. There are a total of 10 screws to remove. The 6 screws along the bottom are all the same size. Use your 00 Phillips screwdriver to remove them. The remaining 4 screws are along the hinge edge. The far left screw is shorter than the other 3, which are considerably longer. We are now ready to remove the bottom cover. Starting near the hinge side, simply lift up on the bottom cover. If the cover is difficult to remove, use your nylon pry tool to gently pry up in these 2 spots, then lift the whole cover straight up to detach the center clips. Now that we're inside the computer, you should be able to see the memory located near the center of the machine. To remove the memory, simply press outward on the 2 retaining clips. The top module should pop up so it can be removed. Push out again to free up the second module. Line up the notch on the new memory module with the pin in the memory slot. Insert the module into the bottom slot at a slight angle. Push down on the edge to lock it into place. Once it is seated, repeat the process with the top slot. Set the bottom cover into place, then gently push down over the clips on both the sides and the center. You should hear a snap as they clip together. Replace the 6 screws along the front and side edges. You should note that these screws do not go in straight down, they go in at an angle. Once those screws are installed, replace the 4 screws along the hinge edge. Don't forget that the screw on the left is shorter than the other 3. You may now turn your MacBook Pro back over, open it up, and turn it on.